I really hate doing this, but this is absolutely something that needs to be said.
YouTube Simplified.
Hi, and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier, and it is my mission to simplify YouTube so you and I can grow together. And if you'd like to continue to receive notifications that can help you simplify YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. All right, so it's certainly possible that channels that do what I'm about to talk about may not even realize that it is harmful to other people's channels, so that's why I feel it's necessary to create this video. All right, so I've been seeing a disturbing trend among some YouTube channels, plus I've seen other YouTubers who have been thanking those channels for their success, and we really need to talk about this. All right, so while these channels may have the best intentions, what they're actually doing is probably doing more harm than good. I'm talking about live streams that channels are running where the entire goal is to get the people who visit the live stream to subscribe to other channels. It's essentially sub for sub. Now they package it in a bunch of different ways and they think they're helping their fellow community out, but when you do a live stream and you play loud music and you are essentially just hyping people up for the purpose of sending shallow subs to somebody's channel, you're not helping them. The thing that you have to remember is that YouTube is viewer-centric, so they're looking for cues from people who watch your content or subscribe to your channel to understand exactly who to share your channel with to serve the same purpose for that viewer. YouTube's not running around trying to find people to view your content. They're actually looking for content to serve to their viewers. They understand their viewers' habits, and they're looking for content that relates to that particular viewer's viewing habit. And when you artificially throw this wide collection of people who probably don't watch your content or watch it only once because they're part of one of these live streams, you're sending all kinds of confusing signals to YouTube, and it's going to be extremely hard for them to pinpoint exactly what your channel's about and who might actually want to see your content. Now, I don't think the majority of these channels that do these live streams are malicious by nature, but I think they just don't understand exactly how growth works. They may be experiencing growth because all the people who are attending these live streams think that they're actually getting some value out of them, but in reality, they're just feeding growth to the people who are doing the live stream, and the people who are getting their channels massively spiked during a live stream are probably not going to have a positive long-term effect from the practice of just ramping people up to click a button. And I needed to make this video so you understand exactly what this could potentially be doing to your channel and why you may give up in the near future because nothing you do seems to make a difference anymore because you've piled on a bunch of fake attention and you've essentially engaged in sub for sub with loud music and people who feel like time is running out. It's just not conducive to growing a brand that reaches people, that delivers your value to them by attending these dance parties for subscribers. It's really ridiculous when it all boils down, and while it may feel good in the moment, it's not helping you, and it's probably more likely hurting your channel. If you are serious about growing here on YouTube, there are a number of people who actually put out content that explain what works and what doesn't work, that have been tested by other successful creators, and those are the avenues you should be searching in order to understand how to be successful on YouTube. If you're taking the easy way out by simply going to a live stream and getting a bunch of people to subscribe to your channel, then you're gonna fail. That's just the way it is. That's the reality of the situation, and you're taking the easy way out, and the easy way out never leads to success. If you really want to grow a brand and channel and business around your content here on YouTube, then go out, educate yourself. If you're not going out and learning something, why would you have the expectation that you're going to find success? It simply does not work that way. No matter how exciting, how fun it is, it may be a really festive atmosphere, and maybe it's fun to watch, but if you're involved in it, if your channel is benefiting from it, it's going to hurt you in the long run. And hey, don't forget this video is sponsored by TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is your #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel the right way. It's available to download for free. There's a link in the description below, or you can go to trytubebuddy.today and get started for free. And if you really want to understand how to make it here on YouTube, to be successful, to grow a successful brand and channel like some of your favorite YouTubers, definitely start educating yourself. You can click on this playlist up here to find more videos that can help you simplify YouTube. I'll see you in the next video.